Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcastify, your personal generative AI podcast. Before we dive into today's financial talk, just a quick reminder that this podcast is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions.
That's right. We're firing up our engines to look at the top stock picks generated by our cutting-edge algorithm at Green Canvas Partners. Our algorithm analyzes vast amounts of market data to identify potential stock opportunities daily, and we bring those insights right to you.
And speaking of insights, let's get into today's hot picks. Today, our algorithm has identified Micron Technology, ticker MU, and SOXL, a semiconductor ETF. These stocks could be setting up for some stellar movements in the market.
Absolutely. Now let's quickly recap our last picks to see how they performed. Yesterday, our featured stocks were MU and PLTR. MU managed a slight gain of 0.13%, while PLTR outperformed significantly with an impressive rise of 7.71%. But when we stack them up against the SPY and QQQ indices, they returned 0.38% and 0.48% respectively. Not quite as robust as PLTR, but consistency in the market is key.
For sure, and looking back 5 days, we had MU and AAPL as our picks, with MU showing an incredible gain of 18.14%. What a ride that has been. Comparatively, SPY returned 3.66% and QQQ returned 5.85%. Definitely some smart choices there.
And don't forget about our picks from 2 weeks ago. MU again showed steady performance with a minor gain of 0.27%. UCO brought in 1.48%. Yet again, SPY and QQQ outperformed with returns of 4.29% and 5.33%. Always interesting to see how the market unfolds.
Now, for our traders out there, let's get practical. Picture this. Imagine if you bought MU at market open with a 2% stop limit order. This would give you a buffer while still allowing for participation in upward movement.
That sounds smart. You could also consider selling a cash-secured put on MU to collect premium while patiently waiting for an entry point. It's like sitting tight until you get what you want.
And here's another one. If you already hold MU, think about using covered calls to generate some extra income while you wait. Just remember, though, choose the strategies that best fit your individual risk appetite.
Definitely important to tailor strategies to your own comfort level. Now, if you want to keep up with our algorithm's performance history and access in-depth details about our picks, be sure to check us out at www.greencanvaspartners.com.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your fellow traders. Let's grow this community together. Until tomorrow, happy trading.
See you next time.